Hello, everyone. Welcome to our interior design tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to transform a space into a cozy and traditional warm living room using a variety of components. Whether you're starting from scratch or just want to refresh your space, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Scene 1, Planning and Layout. The first step in designing your traditional warm living room is to plan the layout. Think about the placement of your key components, the sofa, coffee table, armchairs, and fireplace. Arrange them to create a comfortable seating area that encourages conversation and relaxation. Scene 2, Flooring and Wall Treatments. Next, let's talk about the foundation of your room. Hardwood flooring is a fantastic choice for a traditional look. It adds warmth and character to your space. To enhance the traditional feel, consider adding wainscoting, crown molding, and ceiling beams. These architectural elements create depth and charm. Scene 3, Fireplace and Mantel Decor. Your fireplace and mantel are the focal points of the room. Enhance their traditional appeal by using a classic color palette. For the mantel, you can decorate it with family photos, artwork, and some tasteful decor items. Be mindful of balance and symmetry. Scene 4, Bookshelves and Built-in Cabinets. Bookshelves and built-in cabinets not only add storage but also provide opportunities for displaying your favorite books and collectibles. Arrange them creatively, mixing books with decorative pieces to create visual interest. Scene 5, Lighting. Let's shed some light on the matter. Lighting is crucial for setting the right mood. Use a combination of table lamps, wall sconces, and even some floor lamps. This layered lighting adds depth and warmth to the room. Scene 6, Window Treatments. Don't forget about window treatments. Choose curtains or blinds that complement your color scheme and add a touch of elegance. They also provide privacy and control over natural light. Scene 7, Rugs and Side Tables. An area rug defines your seating area and adds softness underfoot. Place side tables beside your seating for convenience. These are perfect spots for drinks, books, or decorative items. Scene 8, Mirrors, Picture Frames, and Throw Pillows. Mirrors are a fantastic way to make your living room feel more spacious and reflect light. Picture frames can showcase cherished memories, and throw pillows can introduce pops of color and patterns. Scene 9, Final Touches. Now, let's add the finishing touches. Arrange your throw pillows on the sofa and armchairs. Make sure everything is balanced and harmonious. Step back and admire your beautiful, traditional warm living room. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've transformed your space into a traditional warm living room filled with character and charm. Remember, the key is to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Thanks for joining us today. Happy decorating!